Pogi ka ngayon eh. Andres.
Kahit naman ang look niya.
Kahit anong look, si Ash, as you can see right now, is pasok ko, I mean, maganda ba siya for you in your eyes?
Naka-Rafi, naka-sombrero, rin parang...
Hindi na mukha mo. There we go, guys! Alam nyo, now is the best time to promote and invite them to watch your film. First ever film, right?
Yes.
Wow! Sa September 24. Let's go,
Yes,
Ashley.
ayun na nga po. Muli po, iniimbitahan po namin kayo supportahan. Minamahal, isang taong bulaklak para kay Luna, written and directed by Jason Paul Laksamana. This September 24 na po yan, this Wednesday. Sana po masuportahan niyo. Maraming salamat po.
And of course, Andres Mulak.
Ayun nga, ulitin ko na lang in English. I'm inviting you all to watch Minamahal, isang Grand Bulaklak para kay Luna, showing this September 24. And yung premiere night namin will be on September 22 sa SM Mega Mall. So please come and support if you can.
There we go! And guys, announcement. Guys, Ash and Andres, invite natin sila because after this show, we go straight up sa floors, second floor, Cinema 5, because we're gonna do a Cinema 4, a 5th floor. Ay, tao ba? Tayo? Mahal mo ba ako? Sorry. Because we're gonna do a live ticket selling. Sila mismong dalawa ang magbebenta ng tickets. So, if you wanna get your tickets secured and you wanna see them up close and more personal, after this, punta tayo sa taas for the live ticket selling. Magkikita tayo sa taas, yes? Ano na, nakaalis na agad.
Wait lang!
Wait na! Wait lang! Ayan, kaya guys, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagmamahal ninyo at suporta. Ayan, na Balls Police. Bago natin to, isahin itong lugar na to. Picture muna tayo with everybody. Yes, picture. Ash and Andres. Ay, meron tayo dito lang kayo with the crowd tayo. Ayan, with the whole Ayala Balls Police. Ayan. So guys, behave lang tayo. Careful lang po kung nasan kayo nakaupo. Ayan. Taas kamay. Guys, can you put your hands up for this too, please? Put your hands up in the air. Yes, I love it. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3. Say minamahal. Say Luna. Say Rafi. There we go. Maraming salamat. Calling the rest of the artists to please join me here on stage for a photo opportunity. Samahan nyo kami dito lahat, guys. All of the artists na nag-perform kanina. Ayan, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, ayan. Ayan. There we go. Ayan. Hello, guys. Ayan naman, after this, we go up for the live ticket selling. Picture muna, Andres and Ashley. Picture tayo with the whole Viva Artist Agency family. And of course, yung mga nag-perform natin singers kanina, samahan natin dito sa stage para sa isang picture. Guys, harap tayo lang sa LED. Kasama natin sila for the group. Yup. Ayan, picture tayo, guys. Face the LED wall, please, for me. Alright. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Yes, one more time, say minamahal. Hala, parang ano to? Hala, hindi ako dito. Tara sa likod mo rin. Okay, one more picture! live ticket selling. Ayan, na magaganap sa taas. Yup. Ayan, so kita-kits tayo sa taas, guys. Maraming salamat. We appreciate y'all again. Minamahal. Cinemas, September 25.